The HPE SimpliVity dashboard shows we have 533 terabytes of logical data used by the virtual machines and backups. SimpliVity deduplicates, compresses, and optimizes all data through its entire life. In this cluster, capacity is reduced by a factor of 86.6 to 1. This is more than half a petabyte in savings of capacity and I/O. To create a backup of this 489 gigabyte virtual machine is as simple as 3 clicks. Right-click on the virtual machine, click on Backup Virtual Machine, and click on OK. By using deduplication in a holistic manner, HPE SimpliVity was able to create a full logical backup of that virtual machine in just 3 seconds. Simple, right? Performing a restore of an HPE SimpliVity backup is just as easy as taking a backup and almost as fast. This restore takes no additional capacity and no I/O, since it takes advantage of deduplication to make the operation highly efficient. So efficient, in fact, that the process has already completed. A full 489 gigabyte virtual machine restored in only 4 seconds.